76-year-old Jim Jacobson aims to be the Burnout King.
They got an old tire on the back. It squeals. And I hope that'll help a little bit for the crowd.
Jim gets his squeal, but not his blowout, leaving room for the next guy to run right over him. Brandon Anderson has come to Sundance with one goal, to win and win big.
What's my strategy? Gonna crank her up to about 6,000 RPMs and drop the clutch. Do a little dance on top of the bike.
It's a dirty, smelly, smoky stunt, but to the crowd, Brandon's showmanship has put him on top. Jim's screeching tire lands him in third place, a testament to his 56-year-old Harley.
Kind of exciting, you know, when you get up there, crowd's watching, and you hope the thing will work, and it did, so I was happy about that. That's my last one. I mean, I'm almost 77 years old, so you got to quit sometime.
But the toughest part of this event isn't wrecking tires or engines. It's trying to clean off the layers of melted, stinky black rubber.
I'm still washing the rubber off of me. And the bike, I washed it once already, but it's gonna take me the rest of the season to get all the rubber off that thing. It is stuck. It's a mess.